welcome to this new tutorial where I'm going to be showing you how to create a nexcube moyu. So this is a type of speed cube, so I'm going to be recreating that. So now I'm just going to start by just using this default cube, yeah I know, and then now what I'm going to do is to go to the modifiers tab, add modifier, and click bevel. Not click bevel, just search up bevel and then select bevel right there. Now I'm just going to set the amount to a bit higher. About that much would be sick, and then add a segment. Yeah, just 2 would be fine. Now I'm just going to tab in and S to scale this down, and I'm just going to tab out. Actually, I'll just say tabbed in and then just move it in the y-axis to about there. The centering doesn't need to be perfect. Just going to move it there. Z-axis view, sorry, not minus Z. And then what I'm going to do now is to go Shift D in the y-axis. But remember, before you do this, set the origin point to origin to geometry. Then it will be a lot easier in the future. Just gonna do Shift D in the y-axis, like that. It's gonna be a bottom part, the bottom center, and then I'm gonna go Shift R to repeat this action. Now once we have that, I'm gonna select all 3, and then move it in the x-axis. Remember, centering doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm just gonna do it to what feels right. About there would be nice. And now I'm just gonna go Shift D, x-axis, and just move it there. Doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, Shift R. Okay, that looks nice. But now what I'm gonna do, select all of this, Shift D, Z, and then move it up like that, and then Shift R, and you have your cube. This looks actually amazing. So what I'm gonna do is to just go inside the cube, select the middle area. I'll try. Okay, yeah, I can't do that. Okay, I can select the middle area and then just press this, view selected. So now I'm viewing the whole entire cube. Now what we do is to just select all of this, select the cube in the middle. Okay, so this is a bit of a hard time, but it's gonna deselect this light, select the cube in the middle. As you can see, this little dot is a different color to the rest, and then go Control P, keep transform. Now if you just select the middle one and rotate or move, the whole thing goes with it, which is actually really cool. But still, we have to select all of this independently to move it, which is actually a bit of a bad thing, but we'll get to that in a later episode. Okay, so this is our cube. Looks actually really good, but there's a problem. The centers have to be curved. So what I can do for it is actually I could change it, or I could just select this one only and increase the bezel amounts and increase segments. So that looks okay. I mean, like, doesn't have to be perfect, but yeah. I'm just gonna repeat this on all 6 sides. So quick building montage. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now I'm done with this. Yeah, okay, so now I'm done with this. I'm just gonna select all of this, deselect the light, and then just go Control. No, wait, right. I'm just gonna select this, and then just go Shade Smooth. I'll actually do Shade Flat. No, wait, no. I'm just gonna go Shade Auto Smooth for all 6 sides. So this is not gonna take so much time. Okay, so now I'm done. This is the final results. I'm going to be doing coloring now, but I could actually do that in a later episode. So the coloring is in a later episode. So this is our cube part 1. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. See you in the next one. Bye!